Today's math lesson is lesson 11 from the Orange Book, Unit 4 on decimals. Today we are multiplying decimals by whole numbers, and we're using the estimation to help see if our answer is reasonable. We're also working in hundredths today, so their answers will be in hundredths. So I'm going to do 2C from their Orange Book. The first thing that they must do is estimate. So 371.23 is about 400. 53 would be rounded to or estimated to 50. 4 times 5 is 20. Add 3 zeros. Their answer is going to be somewhere in the neighborhood of 20,000 if done correctly. Step 2 is to remove all decimals from the problem and just make it into multiplying whole numbers. So I'm going to have a 5-digit number times a 2-digit number. So I'm going to do that multiplication now. And when I do that multiplication in my top row, this is what I get. I put a 0 to start my second row. Then now I'm going to do this multiplication and my regrouping. When I'm done with that, I would come up with this as my second row. Add the 2 rows together. And after I do all that, this is the answer I come up with. Now, if you notice in the problem, I have hundredths because I have 2 numbers after the decimal point. So in my answer, I must have the same thing. So there's my 2 numbers after the decimal point. So if I look at my answer, I have 19,675 and 19 hundredths. That's pretty close to my estimate. So this answer is definitely reasonable and correct. So that's how they'll be doing these types of problems tonight, dealing with multiplying decimals in hundredths.